In front of me is Motorola Razr 60 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add photos to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now use this icon of a camera and the photo at the bottom right corner. Hit all of your photos you wish to add. Or if you can't find them here, select Photos. Tap on a chosen photo and then do exactly the same with all the other ones you need. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!